Hi students, today I am going to discussing about the very important topic 3 marks question. Don't miss it. 1 or 2 times listen carefully. It's a very important topic. Every year repeated question. Concept name is some important transition elements compounds. Transition elements compounds means D block elements compounds or oxides and oxoanions of metals. Examples are K2Cr2O7, KMNO4. It is a D block element. It is also a D block element. Some important transition elements compounds. Oxides means the compounds contain oxygens, that's why oxides compounds, or oxoanions of metals. Oxoanions of metals I will teach you later. Okay, first of all, question I will give you now. Preparation of potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. This is called as a potassium dichromate. Name also very important. K2Cr2O7 name is potassium dichromate. K means potassium, here chromium 2 is there, dichromate, potassium dichromate. My target, I want to prepare this one. Preparation purpose, I want some substances. The substances generally we are called as ore. Here the ore name is chromite ore. This one preparation purpose, I considered this one. This name is chromite ore. FeCr2O4 treated with sodium carbonate Na2CO3 and pass out the oxygen gas gives. Here I will say one technique. This is you will be consider 4 moles. 4 double 8. In this 8 1 you will be reduce 7. These are the number of moles respective compounds. These 3 reactants are reacted together. It is given by Na2CrO4. This is called as a sodium chromate. Here no 2 chromiums, 1 chromium is there, that's why I am not using di. You just called chromate. Here sodium is present, that's why you have to be say pronunciation sodium chromate. It is yellow color liquid solution. Competitive examination point of view very important. Na2CrO4 plus Fe2O3 2 moles plus 8CO2. Okay, the formation of sodium chromate I will be repeated here. This is the first step and second step. This one I will be right here. 2 moles I will be consider Na2CrO4. First step only you have to do hard work. Second step and third steps are very important. Under the presence of acidic medium gives No doubt about it. Here products purpose, no need to mug up. See here our product K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7. Same as it is this compound you will write. K2Cr2O7 same as it is C and you will write here. But in our step no potassium, sodium will be there. So you will be write here Na2Cr2O7. See here K2Cr2O7 same as it is you will be write here, but potassium plus sodium you will write plus this is a acidic medium, so here two hydrogens and one oxygen. You know hydrogen and oxygen, the result is water, H2O. Here no balancing, here 2 2s are 4 sodiums is there, but in this compound only 2 sodiums. After balancing purpose you will write 2 moles of Na plus. This is called as sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate. Orange red color solution. Orange red color solution. It was very easy. First step only you want to do hard work. Second step it was very easy. In first step what you are obtained, that one you will be repeated in second step. No need to think. All requirements is present in first equation only. 8 moles of Na2CrO4 is formed sodium chromate. This compound 2 moles only you have to be take it. That it was very easy. Second step 2 moles only you have to be consider in the presence of acidic medium. What do you want to do? Prepare K2Cr2O7 same as it is you will be write here, but small modification. K plus sodium you will be write Na2Cr2O7. Before potassium is there, we are called as potassium dichromate. Now sodium is there, sodium dichromate. Next third one, this compound you will be repeated here. Don't write mistakes and all everything. What do you want to be write? That and all here only present. Na2Cr2O7. See students, here Na2 is there, but here K2 is there. Sodium plus potassium we want. That's why this compound I want to be treated with 2 moles of KCl gives, after sodium plus potassium will come. See students, K2Cr2O7 plus 2 moles of NaCl. This is called potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. Orange red color solution. Colors are very important competitive examination point of view. It was useful. Okay, once again re-glance this one. This is a very important question, 3 marks. See, first of all, FeCr2O4 you have to do mug up. Okay, after how to remember this compound, what I know I will give you technique, that's all. You have to do mug up only Na2 after CO3. How you will write? See this compound and you will write very easy here. R you have to be close. C is there, no? C as it is you will write. After O4 means one oxygen you can decrease. O3 I am saying only tip how to remember. After 3 oxygens is there, in this 3 oxygen decrease 1 oxygen, O2. Next, how to remember this one? Okay, this is split into 2 parts. 8 Na2 same as it is you will be write here, 8 Na2. Second compound, first part you wrote here. After split into 2 parts, Cr2O4 is there now. 2 chromiums plus CrO4 you will write here. Finish. Next here Fe and O. Fe and O simply you will write FeO. Just you will write 2 3. Number system you know 1 2 3 like that. Here 2 3 you will be remember. Balancing, there 4 irons are there. Balancing purpose you can use 2 here. Next this one before only we used here. Close this one. After what you are observing, 8 CO3, 1 oxygen you can decrease, 8 CO2 you will be right here. Formation of this compound repeated here. After remaining process and everything you know. This is the very important. Not there. Sodiums are not there. After we are obtain ions. This is a ion. This is also we are called as a ion. This ion name is chromate. Chromate ion, because here only one chromium is there, but here two chromiums is there. That's why you have to be called dichromate ion. It is a yellow color solution, orange color solution, but topic name is structures. It is a tetrahedral shape. See everybody, chromium, oxygen, 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 tetrahedral shape, -1 and -1, charge balancing here, chromium 4 oxygens and charge, tetrahedral geometry or tetrahedral shape. Next, Cr2O7, here two chromiums are present, two tetrahedral structures are combined. This diagram only you will write here. Or if you write this one like that also no problem. Two tetrahedral structures, just horizontally, this is vertically, horizontally you can imagine and see two tetrahedral structures. Two tetrahedral structures. Here Cr bond O Cr bridge, Cr bond O Cr bridge, bond angle, bridge bond angle is 126 degrees. These are the two structures. Oxoanions. Before I said oxoanions, compounds contain oxygen and it contain the anion, negative charge. That's why these two compounds were called as oxoanions. This ion, before, in case sodium is there, you have to be pronunciation sodium dichromate. In case here potassium is there, you have to be called pronunciation potassium dichromate. These are the structures of two important ionic compounds. Chemical properties, carefully have to listen. Very rare they are asking these kind of questions. In acidic medium means H plus, chromate ion, CrO4 power -2, chromate ion, no doubt about it, in acidic medium chromate ion is converted to dichromate ion. You have to do fixed, Cr2O7 power -2 will be right. In acidic medium compulsory they will give CrO4 power -2. See this one, this is very important. 2 moles of H plus after Cr2O7 power -2, you have to write it. Here how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens are converted to water. Here 1 oxygen. 2 4s are 8 oxygens are there, but here 7 oxygens, so 1 oxygen combined with the hydrogen in the form of water in acidic medium. Next, in basic medium means reversible, you have to be imagine. Cr2O7 power -2. Basic medium I said OH minus. In basic medium, very very important. Basic medium means reversible, you have to be considered. Cr2O7 power -2 is converted to CrO4 power -2. This is a dichromate. Dichromate ion is converted to chromate ion. How we know, sir? This and all depends upon the medium. After OH minus is converted to water. OH minus is converted to water. Once again, see students, based on the mediums, I am going to give the clarity. In the presence of acidic medium, chromate ion is converted to dichromate. Not only here, anywhere if you are observed acidic medium, Immediately dichromate is converted to dichromate. Next, in basic medium, dichromate ion. See the medium. Dichromate ion converted to chromate ion, fixed. Furtherly, some reactions is there based on the medium. How it will be changes, I will be explain. Chemical properties I am discussing in acidic medium solution. They gave dichromate ion. Dichromate ion in acidic solution, Cr2O7 power minus 2. Here how many chromiums are there? 2 chromiums. Immediately we will write 2 moles of Cr power plus 3. This and all practice purpose only you will get fixed. Dichromate they are given. Dichromate they are given on what? How many chromiums are there? 2 chromiums. The 2 chromiums you will write here. The charge plus 3 you will write. The charge you have to be write plus 3. Because see here Cr2O7 power minus 2, chromium oxidation number is plus 6. Chromium oxidation number is plus 6. But here how many chromium atoms are there? 2 chromium atoms. See here I will be write chromium, chromium. Here each and every one chromium oxidation number is plus 6. Okay, it is accepting 6 electrons. Cr2O7 power minus 2 is accepting 6 electrons. Okay, the 6 electrons I have to be split into 3 electrons and 3 electrons. It is accepting 3 electrons, accepting 3 electrons. 3 electrons accepting after, it is converted to Cr power plus 3. 3 electrons accepting after, it is converted to Cr power plus 3. So it is accepted how many electrons? So 6 electrons. Next, O7 power minus 2 in acidic medium means you have to be considered 2 Cr power plus 3. In first PUC already you know Cr2O7 power minus 2 Cr power plus 3. These kind of relations we know very well. Plus and acidic medium. Acidic medium means compulsory we want to show it H plus. Okay, first of all here how many oxygens are there? 7 oxygens. So 7H2O. Don't say hydrogen side. You have to be say oxygens. 7 oxygens is there. Here oxygens are balanced, chromiums are balanced, but here hydrogen symbol is there. But here no hydrogen. 7 2s are 14. 14 H plus you will write. So this is a acidic medium. Dichromate ion is converted to Cr power plus 3 chromium ion. I hope everybody understood this one. Reactions only I will write. These reactions after complete reaction I will give you now information. K2Cr2O7 or Cr2O7 power minus 2 both are same only. Okay, see here in acidic medium. In acidic medium 6 moles of iodide. 6 moles of iodide is converted to 3 moles of I2 plus 6 electrons. This is oxidized. Minus 2 to 0. See here minus 1 to 0. The line traveled left to right, so we are called as oxidation. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Negatives to positive, the line traveling we are called as oxidation, increasing the oxidation number, so we are called as oxidized in the presence of acidic medium. See students, very important. Acidified they will give, only you have to be see acidified. I minus is there, it is converted to I2, fix. Three moles of H2S gives, see students, here sulfur is a minus 2 oxidation state, minus 2. After the reaction, it is converted to 3 moles of sulfur. 3 moles of sulfur and 6 H plus and 6 electrons. See, it is minus 2, this is 0. Increasing the oxidation number, oxidized in the presence of acidic medium under the presence of dichromate ion. Very important. H2S they are given in acidic medium, no doubt about it, you will write sulfur. Already you know in first PUC H2S2S. Next one, 3 moles of tin or stannous plus 2 salts. Immediately these salts are converted to plus 3. Here it's loss of 6 electrons. After that, fourth one, 6 moles of Fe power plus 2 is converted to 6 moles of Fe power plus 3. 6 electrons, increasing the oxidation number, oxidized. One important point I am going to share it with you now. See students, acidified, it must, if you see these symbols fixed in your mind, I minus I2, balancing secondary, I minus I2. H2S they are given only sulfur. H2S they are given, you will get sulfur. Next, Sn plus 2 is converted to plus 3. Fe power plus 2 is converted to Fe power plus 3. Your all members, understanding purpose, one overall reaction I will write. See here. See. Okay, see students. Acidified K2Cr2O7 means Cr2O7 power minus 2 also we can consider, no problem. Acidic medium Cr2O7, okay, done. And they are given here Fe power plus 2. What they are given here? Fe power plus 2, that to acidic medium. No doubt about it. These all are the first PUC questions. See students here. First of all, find out the oxidation number here, plus 6. Here plus 2. Okay. Just now only I said Cr2O7 power minus 2 in acidic medium is there. You will write immediately this one, 2 Cr power plus 3. In acidic medium, I saw this one Cr2O7 power minus 2. No doubt about it. I will write 2 Cr power plus 3. 2 Cr power plus 3. Just now only I said here 6 Fe power plus 2 is there. Fe power plus 2. Immediately you will write Fe power plus 3. Fe power plus 3. Okay, leave it this one. Balancing required. Balancing. Okay, I will teach you balancing also. Okay, see. Here plus 1, sorry, here Fe power plus 2, here Fe power plus 3, the difference is 1. The difference is 1. Next, here plus 6, here plus 3. The difference is 3. Here how many chromium atoms are there? 2. 6. Already you know students, chromium related 6 is there. This 6 is multiplied with this one, 6 Fe power plus 2. And Fe power plus 2 to Fe power plus 3, how much is there? 1. This one multiplied with this one. See, now coefficients you have to be see.